Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy Ethereum on Trading 212 app. In a few minutes, you'll see how to search for Ethereum on the app and place a straightforward buy order. Before we begin, make sure your account is set up and funded. This walkthrough is educational and not financial advice, so only proceed if you're comfortable with the risks. Open the Trading 212 app to the main screen. From here, look for the search icon, usually at the bottom or top of the screen, and tap it. Search is the fastest way to find specific instruments without scrolling through long lists. In the search bar, type ETH. This will bring up results related to Ethereum. On Trading 212, you're not buying cryptocurrency directly. Instead, you'll typically see exchange-traded products that track the price of Ethereum. From the results, tap WisdomTree Physical Ethereum. This instrument mirrors Ethereum's price and trades like a stock during market hours, making it easier to buy and hold within your investment account. Take a moment to review the instrument page. You can glance at the chart, check the ticker and the exchange it trades on, and read the summary to confirm you've selected the correct product. Availability can vary by region, so if you don't see it, it may not be supported in your market. When you're ready, tap Buy. This opens the order ticket. Here, enter the amount you want to invest. You can usually switch between entering a monetary amount or a number of units, depending on your preference. The system will show an estimated quantity and the current market price. By default, you're placing a market order, which means it will aim to execute at the best available price when you send it. If the market is moving quickly, the final executed price may differ slightly from the estimate you see now. Next, tap Review Order. This is your chance to double-check everything before you commit. Look over the instrument name, order type, estimated price, quantity, and the total value. Confirm that the details match your intention and that you understand any applicable fees or taxes in your region. If everything looks good, tap Send by Order. The app will process the request, and once filled, your position will appear in your portfolio. You can return to the instrument page or your portfolio view to monitor performance, set alerts, or plan your next steps. That's it. You've searched for Ethereum on Trading 212, selected WisdomTree Physical Ethereum, entered your amount, reviewed the details, and sent the buy order. Thanks for watching, and invest thoughtfully.